What's up, guys? So there's a little kid that lives down the road from us. He always sees me and my son riding. 2 days is his birthday. I decided to surprise him. I got him a brand new little 2-stroke 50cc dirt bike. I'm going to be giving him here in a while. I'm going to do another video on this. I think he's going to be blown away with this birthday present. I already talked to his grandparents that have custody and that are raising him. His name is Anthony, but he is going to be blown away once I take this down to his house. I'm going to make a video giving it to him, so stay tuned. Can't wait to see the look on his face. What's up, buddy? Happy birthday. I got a present for you. Happy birthday. Got a little present for you here.
Oh, wow. That's the same size as the last one?
Yeah, stand by it real quick. We'll get it out. You like that little bike? Cool. I want you to be careful when you ride it, okay? Now you can ride with me and my son.
Are you guys gonna ride?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I might ride my dirt bike too.